Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful top box album, which is a perfect gift idea to store your pictures of your loved ones. In the front part of the top box album, you will see a beautiful shaker element where you have to put the picture, and when you take out the album upside, you will get a beautiful album where you can add pictures and elements inside the pages. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interesting craft videos. So these are the beautiful pages. You can add pictures with sentiments. This can be used for any occasion, birthday or anniversary. Let's get started. First step is take chipboard or cardboard pieces of 6 by 5 inches, 2 pieces of 6 by 5 inches and 2 pieces of 6 by 3 inches, 3 by 6 inches. Now take paper stripes of 1 inches and fold the stripes into half. Now take this big piece and one small piece and stick them like this. Firstly, I used double-sided tacky tape. Then it was not sticking with the tacky tape. Then I used hot glue gun to stick the stripes to the cardboard pieces. Now take a cardboard piece of 5 inches by 3 inches and paste it like this with the help of stripes of 1 inches, similarly in this way. To create this top box album, I will be using Trust My Craft whimsical rose pattern paper. I have purchased all these materials from Gulati Emporium, and these have such beautiful designs. Then I will be using Trust My Craft border punches, Trust My Craft sequences and tassels and motif sheets and mulberry flowers and some metal charms. I have purchased these all materials from Gulati Emporium. Now I took a cardboard piece of 7 by 5 inches and covered it with black cardstock, and I created this box also, and it turned out very strong. Later I used hot glue gun to stick the stripes because with the normal double-sided tape, it was not sticking properly, so you can use hot glue gun as well. I have make a hole in the center to insert a handle. Now I took a shaker element. I made this by taking 1/1 inch border and I pasted acetate sheet, and then I added double-sided foam tape, 2 layers of double-sided tape. Then I adding some sequences. To make hinges for the album, to paste it here, I've taken 3 pieces of paper which measures 4 by 5 inch, and I have scored at 0.5 inches and 0.5 inches from this and this side. Similarly, I have taken second paper of 3 by 5 inches and scored at 0.5 and 2.5 inches. And the last one measures 1.5 inches by 5 inches, and I have marked at 0.5 inches and 1 inches. Now fold the papers. Fold the papers and give a good crease. You can use other methods also for this hinge method. There are 2-3 more methods, but I know this one is easy. Now take a gap of 0.5 inches in all the pieces and then paste them like this. And now I'm cutting this side because I need 5 pages, so that I can have 10 pages in total on both. Now it will be pasted here like that, and pages will be attached in these hinges, and after that it will be inserted inside. Take 5 pieces of paper which measures 4.5 inch by 5 inch according to the size of hinge. Now paste these papers to the hinge. Add pattern papers on all the pages. So our top box album is ready. I hope you guys like my this top box album. You can add picture in front shaker element as well, and write some sentiments regarding to the occasion like happy birthday, happy anniversary, etc. And this is a perfect gift idea. And inside the album you can add more elements, more pictures, and some cards, and inside the box you can add a tiny gifts as well. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and like this video and turn on the bell icon.